Now we move on to functions in the form of equations. Here we have y cubed is equal to x plus 3. Now this is an example of a function. Why? Because whenever the y variable is raised to an odd integer, then the equation is said to be a function. The other case is y squared is equal to x minus 3. On the other hand, this is not a function since the y variable is raised to an even integer. Lastly, we have functions represented by graphs. To identify if a certain graph is a function, we can utilize the vertical line test. The way this works is by drawing a vertical line through the graph, and if any point hits the line twice or more, then it is not a function. A graph is determined to be a function if it passes at most once through the vertical line. Now that we know how to identify whether a relation is a function or not, we can move on to evaluating functions. By evaluating functions, we substitute the x value of the function to get the corresponding value of y. This is most commonly written in the form of f of x is equal to y. Now let us try solving some problems and evaluate the following functions. First, we have f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Now what about if x is equal to 3? If your answer is 9, then you got it correct. How about when x is equal to 5? The answer for this question is 13. Next, we have x is equal to 0. In this case, the value will become 3. And lastly, we have x is equal to negative 2. For this case, the answer would be negative 1.
Created using Powtoon.